I ate a lot of food last night and a lot today, and I was drinking water all the way up until we left this morning, so hopefully we don't encounter the same problem.
How do you feeling now?
I feel good. Yeah, I feel really good. I was surprised I didn't. I was ready to wake up with with sore legs, but my legs are fine. No problem. I mean, we hiked yesterday for about 6 hours, so that was still a pretty good day, even though we didn't get to the top. How are you feeling?
I'm fine. Yeah, very good.
Okay. Here we go. I had to ditch my poles. Pedro said that there's a lot of roots to grab onto, and the poles will probably just get in the way. But look, beautiful. These trees are so moist up here. The trees have moss growing all over them. Wow, I am so sweaty. So, we passed the halfway point in the cloud forest. It looks very foggy, but I'm holding up okay. All right. Okay.
Okay, we made it to the top. So we are here at 1,400-meter hike, and there is a crater. So now it's cloudy, it's not possible to see.
So, yeah, I don't see it. It looks like we're looking into the great abyss.
So we down there is 30 minutes more for down and 30 minutes more for up.
Okay.
So we take the launch down.
Okay. Are you gonna go swimming with me?
Yeah.
It is cold up here.
Yeah. The lagoon. It's not possible view because it's cloudy now.
This is the lagoon,
the
okay.
lagoon is not very deep.
Oh, it's not?
It's 2 meters.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty shallow.
Yeah, it's not there fish.
No fish?
No fish, only frogs in the shallow.
So nothing's going to bite me while I'm out there? No snakes?
No snakes.
No anything. Alright, Dana. Completed the challenge. I'm at the top. We're pretty high up here. It was a very good hike. Kind of out of the wind now, so that's nice. I thought it was going to be colder than it is. The lagoons are not very deep. I was ready to take a dive in, do something funny, but Pedro said no. So I had to leave Colin behind and I had to leave Megan behind, but this was the most challenging thing you've had us do. Physically challenging, but the most rewarding. And we have another 3.5, 4 hours before I get back. And Pedro and I are going to go take a dip. Okay. Going out. So here I am, going out into the lagoon. I hear it's muddy. Somebody got stuck a little while ago, so they don't recommend you going out. So Pedro said I can go out a little ways and then I have to just get as horizontal as possible because it's hard to walk out there. So we'll see what happens. That is so muddy. Yeah, it's really muddy. But, okay, Pedro, you said horizontal, right?
Yeah,
okay.
right now. Yeah.
Oh, okay, there we go. It's disgusting.